Let me show you how people are crushing it with one affiliate network and making over $20,000 every single month in affiliate commissions with simple but highly effective products that people are desperate to buy. So let's dive into this. Okay, you probably know about this network. This is a network called Clickbank. Clickbank is a digital affiliate marketplace that has thousands of digital products, and they pay you every 2 weeks in commissions. You could register your account for free. It's absolutely free to join Clickbank. You just want to come to clickbank.com, create your free account, and then once you have joined Clickbank, you want to go to the affiliate marketplace, and you're going to see something like this. Okay, in this case, I'm just going to choose the health and fitness category, and I have sorted out my results from gravity from high to low. So you can see all these different type of products that you can promote, and every time someone buys the product through your link, you're going to make an affiliate commission, which you're going to see in your dashboard. Okay, and then down here you can see here that this product is going to pay you $143.16 every time you generate a sale. Okay, if I go down, $136, $157, okay, etc. And if I keep scrolling, there's one product that I want to really show you that people are promoting and they're making a lot of money with that product. Okay, so let's see where I could find that product here. Okay, it should be somewhere here. Here it is. Okay, the Smoothie Diet 20-day rapid weight loss program. This is a program that has a gravity score of 96. Now, if you don't know what gravity score is, just hover your mouse down here and it's going to tell you what gravity score is. A score based on the number of unique affiliate generating sales. All right, so this is all about the product. Okay, now a lot of people are promoting this product, and you could see down here, if you look at it, it's a one-time offer. It has future billing as well, which means you get recurring commissions every single month. It's mobile friendly. That means you could visit the offer using a mobile device, and they have affiliate tools as well to help you promote this product and earn commission. Now they're going to pay you $21.70. Now that doesn't seem a lot, but the method I'm going to teach you is so easy and so simple. If you start doing it, you're going to get so much traffic and you're going to get so many sales that it's worth it. So basically, if you just generate about 5-6 sales, that's $100 a day, and you're going to see how this is all going to work out for you. Okay, so you can see there's some more products down here as well. Let's see if I can find another product as well. That's one of the products that I've been seeing that people are promoting a lot using the method that I'm about to teach you. Okay, so I can't find the other product, but I guess it should be somewhere here. So let's just dive into this. So we got the product. So when we want to promote one product, what we want to do is we want to click on this promote button. So let me just go back to that same product that we just found. Okay, the Smoothie Diet. So I'm going to click on the promote button. I'm going to enter my nickname, which is going to be my Clickbank username. Okay, so I've got that here. Click on continue, scroll down, and Clickbank is going to give me this long link. Okay, this is where I'm going to drive people to, and every time someone visits this link and they buy the product, guess who makes the commission? The promoter. In this case, it's going to be me. Okay, so I'm going to be starting to drive traffic now. I don't want to post this link. This link is too long and it doesn't look professional. So I'm going to go to a website called tinyurl.com. You just want to go to this website here. Okay, and you want to paste that link in here, and then what you want to do is you just want to verify yourself that you're a human and click on shorten the URL, and there you go. This is that link. Now we're going to have this link, and we're going to copy this link and we're going to paste it because we're going to use this link to drive some traffic. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go to a website called Instagram. Now you probably have an Instagram account and you're probably thinking, wait, you're going to talk about Instagram? I already know about Instagram. Yes, you do know, but you don't know that people are doing it this way. People are making thousands of dollars every single month in affiliate commissions promoting Clickbank products, and I'm going to show you with live proof. Okay, so let's just get into Instagram, and you could see here, okay, this person has a weight loss diet tips Instagram account, 4,000 followers, 15 posts, and check this out. Look what she's promoting. Clickbank offer. All right, now this is a bit dangerous because you know why? She's put a direct Clickbank link here That's a big no-no for Instagram. I highly recommend she should have shortened the link, made it more professional. But however, she's probably getting some sales. So let's just click on, let's see what she's promoting, okay? So when we go to her Clickbank offer, there you go, boom, we could see that she is promoting the same offer called the Smoothie Diet 21 Day, okay? This is the offer, okay, that she's promoting, alright? Check this out. This is live proof that people are promoting this, okay? So if I scroll down, you can see she's got 4,000 followers, okay? And if I just click on this, it's got 163 hearts, 149 comments. Here's another one that I found, okay? This person's promoting a Clickbank product as well, okay, with 5,000 followers. The product is a physical product, okay? And then you can see she's posting on a daily basis, okay? So you could come here, you could create one. So what do you need for this? First of all, what you will need an Instagram account, okay? Instagram account specifically for one niche. And if you could target the product, that's also good. So a product related to weight loss, something like this, the 21, the diet plan, rapid plan, the smoothie diet, that would be great. Okay, and then what you want to do is you just want to come and create all this, okay? So you could see here, you want to create a profile, a bio for yourself that attracts people's attention to get them to click on your Clickbank affiliate link. Now, in this case, you do not want to post your Clickbank affiliate link like this. You want to shorten it like I just showed you, okay? Now, you might be asking yourself, hey, how do I get these images? Where should I get these images from? It's very simple, very easy. You want to go to a website called Canva. You want to come here and you want to select Instagram 180 by 80. All right. Let's just wait for it to load. And I'm going to show you how to create these simple posts. Okay. So I could see here, it's a Canva. It's giving me 180 by 80 down here. We're going to go to elements. I'm going to type in weight loss. All right. And see what we can find here. Okay. This is all free, by the way. Okay, so you could come here and if I just click on see all, and let's see if I could find something down here. Okay, so this one's going to look more better. Okay, so we're going to go to elements here and we're going to go to shapes, and then we're just going to grab one of the shapes from here. Okay, so I'm going to grab this one down here. I'm going to change the color. Okay, so I'm going to put white. All right, and I'm just going to expand this. Okay, just make it a bit bigger. We're going to come here and we're going to center it, come down, and then we're going to put some text in here. Okay, but okay, so now to make this more professional, what we're going to do, we're going to go back to elements and we're going to type in circle, all right? And once we type in circle, this is what we're going to see. We're going to see some frames down here. So we're going to use one of the frames down here. So we're just going to copy that, okay? And we're going to come here, just make that a bit smaller, all right? So we're going to come here, center it, okay? Come back. And then we're going to come back here. We're going to type in weight loss again, all right? And we're gonna, or we just type in some kind of diet. Let's see if I could find something here. Right, so if I come here and find something that's gonna be suitable. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab it and put it in there, and there you go. That looks much better, right? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some text down here, right? Now to put this text, what I do is I go to ChatGPT. So I told ChatGPT, okay, that, oh, can you write me 5 short but highly engaging posts about the benefits of weight loss for Instagram posts? And it's giving me 5 different benefits of this Instagram post. Okay, so I'm going to copy just one of this, all right, and it's even giving me the tags down here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy that, come back to Canva, okay, and I'm going to paste that in here, all right? So now that's looking great. So let's just make that big, all right? Okay, so you could see how that looks. All right, so you could see that that's looking great. Okay, now if I want to do that, what I want to do is I could just download this and upload this to my Instagram account and start getting traffic. At the end, I might just want to put something like please check the link in my bio for more details. Okay, so there you go. That's looking great. Okay, this post is looking great. Now let me show you how to duplicate this post and make it 10x, 20x, 30x. Okay, so it's very simple in Canva. You just come here, click on duplicate page, and there you go. Now it's duplicated this page. Now you just have to make a couple of changes to it. You could change the background image, you could change the text that's in here, make a new text, and this and that, and that's how you're going to keep on duplicating and upload 1 post to 2 posts a day and start getting those traffic and followers. And that's how you're going to build up your following, and that's how you're going to get a lot of free traffic to your Clickbank offers, to your affiliate offers, whether you're promoting a Clickbank offer or another offer, and that's how you're going to start making a lot of money. All right, now you could have before and after photos in this as well, and to do that you just want to head over to a website, which is this one, and you just want to come here, okay, and you want to put weight loss before and after. Okay, and when you come here, you're going to find all this down here. People are offering special services. Okay, so if I just click on this one, there you go. This guy is offering this service for just $7. Okay, so you could see here before and after photos. You can use these photos and you could just create those images within Canva to start getting following, start posting, and start getting free traffic, and start making thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions every single month. This is how you do this. Now if you want to learn the laziest faceless affiliate way to make money online promoting other people's products, and you want to learn how one person made over $85,000 in just 55 days, then here's the link. Go to this website address right now. It's going to be in my description box below this video. Also, I'm going to pin it in the comment section box. Go there and check how people are making daily $900 in commissions on completely autopilot. Okay, and they're doing it with a done for you affiliate business that you're getting straight into your hand on a silver platter, and you could get access to this today too. All right, so if you want to learn more all about that, link in my description box below this video.